Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Outlier account. So first you can just go with the login, or you can just view opportunities. So first you just need to make sure that which community you want to involve, like generalist, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, and data science, and many more, like 30 plus other expert domains. So after choosing one, I'm going to choose one from here, or you can just go with view opportunities. So here you can also find the opportunities. So after that, you must need to choose an opportunity from here. For example, I have just choose this opportunity. Now you can read that opportunity from here, that if it's applicable for you, then you can just apply now by click on this apply now button here. But first you just need to agree to their terms of use, and other these check boxes, check all these boxes, and make sure that you are older than 18 years. Now you can submit and sign up with your email with a custom password, or you can use your Google account. Now you can just submit and use your Google account, for example this one. Now after that, you just need to click on continue, and you are signing. Sorry, the opportunity is not available right now in your country, so it's not available on my country. So I'm going to show you something from right now here with another Gmail here. So let me show you another thing. I'm on another Gmail where I have already created an account by using my Google account. You will pass this first step as soon as you use your Google account or your email. Then it will create an account for you. Now it's time to verify your account. You can't access your account or dashboard until you verify your account or your identification. So first, the account verification is actually, it will send the code through your phone number or your email address. When you get the code through your phone number and the email address, you have to enter that verification code or the OTP to complete this account verification. So after verifying your email address and phone number, it's time to verify your identification. So you must need to enter your identification. In this second step, it asks for your first name, last name, your address line, your city, your region, and your zip code. When you enter it, make sure that you enter the personal details according to the document, the verified document. Now in this identity verification, it has some criteria, like you must be at least 18 years old. You must not have an existing Outlier account. That means you can only create one Outlier account with this Gmail. Your ID should not be expired, this Gmail, and also with this document also. Now your ID should not be expired. Make sure that your valid government issued ID is not expired. Your ID must be from the country where you are working. You must correctly specify the type of ID you are using. For example, if you are using national ID card, then you can choose an ID. If you are using passport or driving license, then you have to specify the type of ID. Now the photo of your ID must be well lit and clearly legible. So you have to take a photo of your ID at the front side and the back side. Then make sure that all the details are clearly visible. Then you can upload that ID. You can just click on start verifying button here. Then you will find the start verifying button. Then you can just enter, you will get a scanner QR code. Then you can just scan it to your phone mobile device. So you can just take a photo or scan your ID. Then you have to scan or take a photo of your valid government issued ID through your phone, and you have to upload to that web portal that you have got from that QR code. Then this third step will be checked. Then it's time to upload a resume. You must need to have a standard resume on your expertise, and make sure that all the resume has well described about yourself, your personal details, your educational background, and your expertise. Then after uploading the resume, and make sure that you have entered a professional image on that resume, so it can make a perfect impression on the clients. Then the experience, you have to enter the experience. So you must need to enter a valid experience that it can make a hard portfolio for you on Outlier. Then the assessment, assessment, then where you must need to upload a work of yours, or it might ask for you to take a text. If it asks for a test, make sure that you are ready to take a text, or if you are not ready, then make prepare yourself and then start the test. And if you pass the test or the assessment is actually acceptable, then you can just go to the last steps where you can join the community. Then you can join the community, and the community will review your all of this, your resume, your identification, your resume, your experience, your assessment. Then if you are compatible, then they can hire you. So that's how you can just create Outlier account. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.